Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Mobizen app and you will click here in this page. Then here we go to apps, then you can go to Mobizen app and you will enter in this window. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.